Hey guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Bigelow Green Tea bags. I have become a real, connoisseur, if you will, on teas. I really like drinking tea now. Before I was a coffee drinker, and that's all. Not anymore. I drink a lot of tea now. It's relaxing. I like drinking tea to calm down, to not wake up or anything like that. Just relax. Green tea happens to do that for me when I'm settling in after a long day's work. Okay. Now, I don't know if you've ever tasted green tea before, but to me, it kind of tastes like a watery taste, like kind of like just plain water, but with a hint of seaweed. It sounds bad, but it's really a soft, subtle tasting tea. It doesn't have it's not a strong flavor. It's very subtle, and actually, it's very good if you have a cold or something. Yeah, because it goes through your body and makes you warm, and it just opens up a lot of things in your throat and in your nose. In my opinion, I think this is probably the best green tea I've had. I've had several green tea. Bigelow seems to be the best because some of the flavors of the others that I've tried are just a little too subtle or a little too much. Because, like I said, to me, it tastes like a hint of seaweed. If you get a strong taste of seaweed, I don't like it. A subtle taste in a tea is relaxing and nice. Yeah. Well, in my opinion, I should say. Yeah, I've been drinking this for a long while. And what you do is, this is the tea bag. This is how they come. These are the packs that it comes in, just like these. This is one that I have opened. And you have a glass with hot water in it. You put this in there and let it sit for a while, dab it in there. And what you do is you taste it, and when it's at the flavor that you like, however you like it, strong or really subtle, then you can take it out. I've seen people just put this in there and just let it sit in there the whole time they're drinking it. I don't do that. I let this sit in there and actually get into the water and just get the flavor to the level that I like, and then take it out, and then it stays at that level, nice and warm. Yeah. But this is very good. Green tea is very good, and green tea is also very healthy for you. It's been around for a long time. I got turned on to it by a friend of mine at work that was from China, and they recommended the Bigelow. Some people may say it's an acquired taste because the flavor is so subtle, but I liked it almost right away. The first time I tasted it, I didn't expect it to taste it the way that it did. I thought it was going to be like more in the lines of other teas, like really an obvious flavor like that, but no, it wasn't like that. It was very subtle. So I was just kind of like, what was that? So I needed to actually try it again, and I really liked it. I liked it. I got into the flavor. It's very nice, very good. Now, a lot of people just drink this straight, just with the flavor of the tea, which is the classic way to drink it. But I have seen people add sugar or honey to it. I don't. I just do it with just the tea, because when you add all those other things to it, it really changes the flavor. In my opinion, the straight way is the best way. Yeah, and I've been drinking it like that for a long time now, and I like it a lot. Bigelow is the only green tea that I drink. I've tried others, but this is the one that really tastes like I want it to taste. It's very good. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Bigelow green tea bags. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.